So we're about to take a road trip. I'm gonna go pick up what seems to be my biggest score since I started collecting vises, and wanted to take you guys along. Let's go.
So these are all the small wheels, okay. And I have one homemade one because I needed a big one time.
Yeah.
The deflector wheels for the small wheel attachment. And this handle's broke, so there's another one.
There's an extra one. Awesome.
These are the pins for
The half moon.
for the radius jig. Yep.
Yeah, the radius jig. Nice. Nice and small. Man, look at that. How much does the whole thing weigh?
It's just over 1,000 pounds.
Over 1,000 pounds? Wow. Made a bit of rich one. What you got there? Let me see that. Oh, that's awesome. So what's the difference between this one and the one you have?
So this one's screwed together here.
Okay.
So it's two pieces.
Yeah.
And it has the clip.
That's awesome. Thank you, Jeremy.
Yep.
Appreciate it. Awesome. So yeah, I guess I'll take them both, Jeremy. I mean, I'm already here. I've come from a long way, so and I appreciate the pen. Thank you. You got a lot of stuff to move, looks like. See it right there. Okay, let me start strapping it down. No, bro. Well, Jeremy. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
I'll be seeing you soon and stop by whenever. You know where I'm at.
All right.
All right. Vamos, compa. Vámonos. Fuga. All right. This is day one of me trying to unload 1,000-pound welding table off my truck. And it's gonna be just me unloading. I figure I could call my neighbors, buddies, and have them help me unload, but I want to see if I'm able to do it by myself with whatever I got here. No forklift, so let's get going. Let's get started. All right, I think I got a plan here. I had this 20-footer and my metal pile. I cut it the same length as my gate. Plan is to mount this on the top post, end post of the gate. I'm gonna tack it, then I'm gonna reverse the truck, strap it down, pull the truck out, and then trying to lower it with a floor jack slowly. That's the plan. Let's get started. All right, put a couple of clamps. I got some extra straps just for safety, because you know me, safety comes first. And well, I got my lift table here. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to stick it in there and pull the truck forward. So this is gonna be fun. All right, this is what I got so far. Got my vise stand, really huge piston, and I'm getting ready to pull out the truck. We're gonna slide this in. We're gonna try to lower it slowly. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna pull out slowly, and just tell me. I'm gonna start switching this right here. Okay. I'll stop, and then we'll lift it up a little bit. Try to stay far from the truck too. Paul, just run that.
Right.
All right, I'm gonna take off the clamps and the straps. I'll probably leave there for now, and then we'll start to lower the lift table. This is getting a little scary for me, but there's only one way to find out.
Years later.
Not bad, huh?